Your business card is the first thing that you would give your partners and potential clients. That's why it's very important that your business card look representative for you and your brand and make it easy for your clients or partners to find exactly you. Welcome to my channel Marinela Tutorials. I'm Marinela, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can create one simple but very efficient business card in Photoshop. Now let's jump into the tutorial. The first thing that we were doing is to create a new image. The weight for a business card should be 3.5 inches and the height should be 2 inches. I'm also changing the resolution so the image has a better quality. And very important is to change the color mode since you're going to print this image. And cyan, magenta, yellow and key is much better color mode for printing. We have the rulers, so this is what I'm doing now. I'm installing them into my picture. And with the pen tool, I'm gonna create the parts that I want to color in black. I will move the black a little bit on the right side because I think it's too much black otherwise. With the rectangular tool, I'm creating this space where I want to put a color, and after that I'm gonna put my name or the name of my brand if I want to. I'm doing the selection with the rectangular tool, and with the gradient tool I'm mixing two different shades of one color. I'm using a color between green and blue because I like this color very much. I think it's called cyan. The next thing what I want to do is to create this little triangle, and I'm going to put this layer below the layer with the rectangle. I'm also gonna fill it in with the same two shades using again the same gradient tool in Photoshop. Now it's time to put the shadows because I want to look a little bit more realistic. So I'm going to put a shadow on both, or only maybe on the rectangular. I don't know what would be better. I'm trying to make it look a little bit nicer. I'm using the blending modes here and there, so I make a little bit more shadows and a little bit the places where the color is changing and so on. I'm trying with different options since I don't really know what I want. I really like to use these shadows because they really create a very nice effect. I'm using them in any possible opportunity. Now it is time to put the all important information about me and my brand that I want to give, like an information to my clients, partners and everyone else. I'm putting my general information like my name, contact details. You can put a slogan if you have one. Pick a really interesting fonts, but be careful that everything that you put in the business card is really easy to read, since the business cards are with very small sizes. And if someone cannot read it, he will not spend 2 hours to find your number or email so he can contact you. I will put my logo in the left side, and I think I'm done with this business card. It looks simple, it looks nice, I like it, and it will really attract my potential partners and clients. So that was my idea for one easy, simple business card, still very efficient. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If so, please like the video, share it with your friends that have their business and they're looking for nice design for business cards. And for more tutorials, subscribe for my channel. I'm gonna show you different designs soon, along with other tutorials related with the skills that you need to make your brand or name successful in internet. Bye for now.